Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys this really cute eyeshadow look. I think it's perfect for Valentine's month, Valentine's Day, whatever time it is that you guys want to do this eyeshadow look. Super simple to do, not too complicated for those of you guys who aren't so into the makeup yet and just want to kind of start off a little slow. I think it's super simple. I'm going to be using the Douce by Juvias. I love their eyeshadows. They're so good. I really recommend them. They're super pigmented, very cute colors. They're not so expensive, and they always have sales going on, so I definitely recommend this brand for eyeshadows. I'm also going to be using today Stilla's Glitter and Glow eyeshadow. Again, these are really good. I love glitters on eyeshadow, and look at that. They're just super nice. But yeah, let's get this video started. So we're going to start off with the color Berry Mousse, and I'm applying this all over my eyelids, and this is to make the rest of the eyeshadows blend easier on my eyes. And we're going to use a fluffy brush for this. My brushes are from It Cosmetics. They did a collaboration with Ulta, I think last year. I love those brushes, they're so nice. Then we're gonna go in with the color Cream, again with the same brush. And then I'm just gonna lightly start applying this on the crease of my eyes. And I like to hold the brush towards the end of it, just because it's easier on your eyes and it's easier to blend the eyeshadow. And then you just keep applying it until you get the shade that you want. Then I'm going to go in with the shade Custard. And I'm going to be applying this on the outer and inner corners of my eyelids. And I'm going to be using a dense brush. It'll make it easier to pack on the color. And then I'm also going to drag some of that eyeshadow to the top of the eyelid to make it a little darker. Then I'm going to go back in again with the shade Cream, and I'm just going to apply this again at the top of the lid just to make sure everything's nice and blended. Then I'm going to go in with that dense brush again, and I'm going to use the color Crepe, and I am going to apply this again at the outer and inner corner of my eye to make it a little darker. Then I'm going to go in with the Stilla Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in the color Sea Siren. And I'm just going to apply this on the middle of my eyelid. And I'm just going to make sure that it doesn't smear all over the place. And I'm basically putting this on in a shape of an upside down triangle. And then I'm just making sure everything's spread out evenly. Because of the glitter, sometimes it does come out clumpy. So I'm just making sure that everything's spread out correctly. And then I'm going to go in with the shade Tarte. I'm going to use my pinky for this, and I'm going to apply that on the inner corners. And I am also going to apply some on my brow bone. Then I'm going to use a smaller brush, and I am going to go into the colored Custard, and I'm going to apply this at the bottom of my eyes. And then I'm just going to wipe off any fallout. Then I'm going to go in with some concealer, and I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape in the color Light Medium Honey. Then I'm going to go in with a black eyeliner, and this is from Vintage. And I'm going to apply this on my waterline. Then I'm going to take the same small brush that I applied the shade Custard with, and I'm going to blend the eyeliner. Then I'm going to go in with NYX Matte Liquid Liner. Eyeliner's always tricky. You just gotta make sure you keep practicing. And I'm going to apply some eyelashes, and these are from Lashaholic and Instaglam. Here I'm just applying some mascara, and I'm using the IT Cosmetics Superhero. And I'm just going to apply my highlighter, and I'm using the Cover FX Glitter Drops in Nova. This is the finished look. It's pretty simple, not too complicated. So I'm gonna be posting more Valentine's Day eyeshadow looks. Let me know what you guys think about that. I don't know how many yet exactly, but I'm gonna try to post a couple. I have a couple ideas, and yeah, make sure you like this video, comment down below what you guys think, and then make sure you subscribe, and then I'll see you guys in the next video. So bye.